Wow, this is crazy. Take a look at this $2,000 stimulus check for seniors. What is the new bill approved? And check if you are eligible to get it. Another headline here: stimulus check for senior citizens, how to qualify for a $2,000 payment. What is this all about? Well, just want to let you know the truth. These are completely false articles. Take a look at the first article here. If I scroll down, a big giveaway is that it says USD $2,000 check for seniors. No one really writes USD unless it's from a foreign person, standing for United States dollar, right? If we go down a little further, if we look at the box here, it says USD $2,000 stimulus check for seniors, and then it says beneficiaries age and above, amount $2,000, and then official website irs.gov. If you want to ever see if there is a true or false article, you just go right to irs.gov right here. I'm going to type in $2,000 stimulus in the search, and if we search for it, you'll see there is nothing about a $2,000 stimulus check. Nothing at all, nothing for seniors. So just want to let you know the truth straight up front that there is no $2,000 senior stimulus check. Also, got another headline here. $1,400 stimulus check is coming Monday. SSI, SSDI, VA will get USD $1,400 stimulus check approved by the IRS. This came out November 28th. Another false article. This one is a little strange. I'm going to get into that in a little bit. And so, just while we're on the truth train here, no, the IRS is not sending a fourth stimulus check. So people still are pushing out information that a fourth stimulus check is coming. It is not. So just want to tell you the truth. But there are actually a handful of stimulus checks that are going out right now. So I'm going to let you know those. Also, universal basic income programs are still going out, still going strong. And one new city, actually, Boston is the latest city that may have a universal basic income program. And there's a few other cities as well in Washington, West Coast. I'm going to let you know all the details of that. What's true, what's not, which money is actually going out, how much, who's getting it. I'll let you know all those details and give you some other important updates as well. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate these updates, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates on stimulus as well as Social Security updates. And this video is sponsored by my company, Ysense. If you or anyone you know is looking to increase your credit score, remove negative items from your report, got my details down in the description below. Book a free phone call with me. All right, let's get into it here. Let's go about that article here. Again, $2,000 stimulus check for seniors. What is the new bill approved? And check if you are eligible to get it. So how great would it be if this were true? $2,000 stimulus check for seniors. We've spoken about that in the past. The Senior Citizens League did put out a $1,400 check proposal. That didn't go anywhere though. But when it comes to this article, you can even see here $2,000 41 SS payment update. So to save you some time, I read through this entire article and it's just a bunch of mumbo jumbo, nothing really true to this. It's talking about stimulus checks, but from 2020, so it makes no sense. And then another one here is stimulus check for senior citizens, how to qualify for a $2,000 payment. Another one where it says, talking about stimulus checks that has no facts at all. And then here I spoke about the IRS. If you have any doubts or curiosity about a stimulus check that would have came, or you see anything saying that the IRS is sending out, just go right to the IRS website and search for it and you'll see whether it's true or false. Try to find information directly from the source, which is the reason I like to show all the articles that I'm getting information from to let you know the truth from the source. And some of those sources are not true, just like the ones I just pointed out. Another article from that same website, which I've never heard before, saying $1,400 stimulus check is coming on Monday. SSI, SSDI, VA will get $1,400 checks approved by the IRS. Now, this came out November 28th. This makes no sense. How are $1,400 stimulus checks approved by the IRS coming out on Monday? This past Monday. How does that make sense? Well, it doesn't. It's talking about the recovery rebate credit of $1,400 per child. This makes no sense. This is information back from 2021 talking about the $1,400 check, which is the second stimulus, and the $600 third stimulus check going out to be distributed in December. So this information is way off. And we see here a big typo, USD $1,400 stimulus check 2203 payments, as it's supposed to be 2023, not 2020-03. So these articles are just low effort. They make no sense. So just to let you know, the IRS is not sending a fourth stimulus check. So because we are no longer in a state of a health emergency, which was declared by President Biden back in May of 2023, there is no longer such thing as a stimulus check. Any money that goes out could be an inflation check, or some type of aid like that. But if we do receive a federal check, it will not be a stimulus check. Although there are still some stimulus checks going out on a state by state basis. So only a handful of them. For example, if we look at Arizona here, Arizona Department of Revenue, so this is an official tweet from them in November 17th. You can see here how much is the Arizona Families Tax Rebate. So for eligible taxpayers, $250 per dependent under age 17 and $100 per dependent over the age of 17 as claimed under 2021 returns. And then a taxpayer cannot claim more than 3 dependents, so a maximum of $750. So in Arizona, if you have some dependents, you could get a $750 check that way. Then in Alabama as well, $300 tax rebate checks going out in Alabama. So that's going out, this past month of November. So filing jointly, you get $300. Filing individually, you receive $150. So that's in Alabama. And then there was actually Virginia and Texas as well. So when it comes to stimulus checks, those were the checks that were going out. And it looks like I don't see any other states giving out stimulus, tax rebates, direct payments, whatever you want to call it. Looks like the stimulus era might be coming to an end. So 2024 looks like probably no more stimulus. So it looks like that may be it. But I'll keep you updated when it comes to other payments giving out by cities or states. Looks like we're seeing it on a city by city basis or county by county basis. So, for example, latest news here, Boston City Council looks at possibility of creating a universal basic income program. If you're not familiar with the universal basic income program, basically it's a way to get free money for a certain amount of people in a city that gives out, it could be anywhere from $2,000 a month, could be as low as $100 per month. It really depends. But if we take a look here, what it's saying here, a proposed order is a first step which would require that the city council hold a hearing to discuss the implementation of a temporary guaranteed income program for individuals living below poverty in the city. It was so basically they're just talking about it, and it may happen. It didn't say how much it would be, how long it would be for. So that's all we know so far, is that the city council is considering universal basic income program for Boston. So cities that are actually doing it, looks like Tacoma, Washington, guaranteed income program, GRIT, may help more residents over the next 2 years. So this information just came out. Tacoma's guaranteed income program, GRIT, could be on track to help another round of participants over the next 2 years. So basically, these are called pilot programs. They're happening in a lot of different cities around the country in hopes that there is, some are calling for a national universal basic income program. We've heard as high as $2,000 for one of those. But we're not seeing any votes or anything like that when it comes to a national $2,000 universal basic income program. So when it comes to these 13 months, it could be $500 per month for Tacoma, Washington. So looks like they do small amounts here. For Tacoma, Washington, 110 participants receive the $500 per month for several months. And then another city here, we have California, which is probably the home of the most universal basic income programs. So California launches guaranteed income pilot programs. several of them, actually. So we have Ventura, California, and San Francisco counties providing $1,000 to $1,200 per month to 150 former foster youth. So a lot of these programs are targeted towards certain amounts of people. So when it comes to Ventura County Human Services Agency, they were awarded $1,538,000 and will provide recipients with $1,000 per month for 18 months. And the city and county of San Francisco was awarded $3,439,000 and will provide recipients with $1,200 per month for 18 months. So you can see there's like a lot of different ways these are happening. In Stockton, California, $500 per month. So there's a lot of different programs going on like this on a regular basis. So there's still money being sent out, just not to everybody. Small programs targeted in small areas. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on anything else regarding stimulus, universal basic income. Subscribe to the channel for that. Hit the like button if you like how I gave you the information straight up, let you know the truth and facts, and let you know what was false. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. And that is all the news that I have for you today to hopefully brighten your day a bit. Here's my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Hi guys, this is Belle's tip of the day, and what I want to tell you is always stay happy. Always be glad for your family, because your family is the ones who made you and made you. So everybody, hope you have a good July 4th. Bye! Now.
Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your support. If you want to see the latest Social Security updates and $2,700 checks going out for the month of December, you're going to want to click this video right up here. I'll let you know which seniors are going to receive the $2,700. So click that video now, and I'll see you in that video. Take care. Be safe. Thank you for watching.